Here's how to use XLOOKUP in Google Sheets. Click on the cell where you want the result to appear and type equals XLOOKUP open parentheses. The formula has three main parts. First, select your lookup value, the cell containing the value you want to search for, add a comma. Second, select your lookup array, the column where Google Sheets will search for that value, add a comma. Third, select your return array, the column containing the value you want to return. Close the parentheses and hit Enter. Unlike VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP splits the lookup and return columns into separate arguments, which means your return column can be to the left or right of your lookup column, giving you much more flexibility. One bonus tip: XLOOKUP has a fourth optional argument where you can type a custom message in quotes for when a value is not found, for example, value not found, instead of getting a generic error message. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point Google Sheets tutorials on step-by-click.